Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch on and off the DST function on your Casio G-Shock watch that is powered by the module 5081. This is the Casio GA-100 1A 1ER. But this tutorial is going to work for all G-Shock watches that feature this exact module, as well as other Casio G-Shock watches out there. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 4 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep. The first thing that we can set or change is the home city. I'm going to use the mode button in order to go past that, so to the second option, and here we have the DST. As you can see now it is switched off, and I'm going to press the forward button in order to switch it on. As you can see, the hour changed as well, and now we also have here DST. If I press it once again, it is going to switch to off. Depending on your preference, you can leave it on or off, and in order to end the process, we are going to press the adjust button. Once you do that, your settings are going to be saved and you are done. Now I'm going to also have a full guide on how to use all the functions and features on the GA-100, so the Casio G-Shock GA-100, so make sure to check out the link in the description box below in case you are interested. If you found value from this video, guys, make sure to give the thumbs up. If you want to watch even more watch related content, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.